The National Unity and Peace Corps has commended the Senate for passing the Nigerian Mines Ranger Service Bill, describing it as a significant step towards enhancing security and revenue generation in the nation's mining sector. Speaking at the news conference in Abuja, the Commandant General of the Corps, Dr. Chinedu Nneji, revealed that the bill, an initiative fully conceived by the Corps, was born out of a strategic concern to safeguard mining sites across the country and boost national revenue. Dr. Nneji stated that efforts are already underway to secure concurrence from the House of Representatives with the aim of ensuring the timely completion of the legislative process.
We have already kickstarted efforts to seek for concurrence from the House of Reps. We are optimistic that the lower chamber will cooperate with the upper chamber by fast-tracking the process so as to complete the legislative process of this bill in National Assembly.
The NUPEC boss further emphasized the Corps' openness to partnerships and collaboration in fast-tracking the bill's journey to becoming law, expressing optimism that President Bola Tinubu will assent to the bill, given its critical role in supporting economic development.
The socio-economic impact of NMRS on the nation and her economy cannot be overemphasized. They will include, but not limited to, increasing the internally generated revenue for the federal government, plugging the losses, creating employment for both skilled and unskilled Nigerians, drastically reduce accidents at the mining sites, provide total enforcement in the mining sector, minimizing negative environmental impact on host communities.
Dr. Nneji also announced plans to commence the training of Corps personnel in preparation for their deployment once the bill is signed into law. CNN News.